How to post reel on Facebook page. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook, and once you do that, switch over to the page. Then go to the main page and then scroll down to the posts section, and here you will see the option that says reel. Click on it, and here you will get to choose the video that you want to upload as your reel, and here you will be able to edit your reel by adding audio, text, stickers, etc. Once you're done, click on the next button at the bottom right to continue. Then you will get to add a description to your reel, and you will be able to see the visibility, and also you will be able to enable the remixing or not of your reel. Once you're done, click on share now at the bottom, and as you can see, your reel is now being uploaded. Once the uploading is done, your reel will appear here. So let me refresh the page. The uploading might take some time depending on the size of your reel and your internet connection, so you just have to wait. And as you can see, it tells you that your reel has been uploaded, and it's now right here on your page. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload reels to your Facebook page. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.